Okay, lightning was way too close. I'm just gonna run home. I'm a new dad trying to run a sub 25-minute 5K. Today's workout is another run walk. It's 7 sets of running followed by some walking. Let's get it. Set number 1. Set number 2. All right, the lightning's a little too close, so I'm just running home. I'm gonna cut the run short. Just continue tonight. Set number 3, back at it. Set number 4. Glad the lightning subsided a bit. While I still had some time before work, it would have really sucked to come back out here when it's 1:10 later. Set number 5. Set number 6. Set number 7. Okay, lightning's still a little close. Not as close as before. Thankfully, I'm almost done. Okay, lightning was way too close. I'm just gonna run home. All right, workout done. 2.45 miles, 32 minutes, 17 seconds. Pace of 13:10. Cutting a little bit short because obviously the weather.